Hello, my name is Muhammed Hydara. I am from the Gambia. I'm a youth climate activist that have been conducting several climate action-oriented activity in the Gambia here since 2018 up to date. So far, I've been coordinator for Gambia Ocean Heroes in the past years, and I have coordinated a volunteer of almost 1,000 volunteers along the 80-kilometer coastline of the Gambia. We conducted a mass cleanup, and we normally commemorate the International Coastal Cleanup Day. And we are proud to champion the coastal protection in the Gambia here for helping coastal community to withstand waste management, because it is a very concern that is really affecting our marine ecosystem in the Gambia here. And the Gambia is a coastal country that highly depends on fish and the marine biodiversity. So these have been affected or threatened by the human activity, as well as especially when it comes to waste pollution, which are not controlled. So, and then I'm proud also to be as the Secretary General of the Gambia Environmental Alliance, which is a union of community-based organizations and civil society organizations that are working for climate justice, climate restoration, climate action in the Gambia here. And we are proud to comprise all those amazing youngsters that are, working toward the climate crisis in such a way that they can work toward climate change adaptation. And we have conducted a series of activity, mangrove plantation, tree planting, and a lot of cleansing exercise in the Gambia here as our quarter toward our national determined contribution. And we are proud to continue to champion that, and it's a great honor to be part of this amazing exhibition. Thank you.